very good. It's very nice to learn new things and how to make our own sunblock from natural products. It's magical.
Thank you.
I love discovering and mixing the scents together, from the roots and the top notes. I loved discovering new fragrances, and yeah, the whole process was amazing. Yeah, as you said, from simple products you make a wonderful one. Yeah, it's amazing.
I think it's also fun to play around with the ingredients and adjust a little bit the scent and the ingredients. And I think it teaches you that it doesn't make any sense to put like chemical sunscreen on your body. If you don't know what's in it, it's so easy to make a natural product and so beautiful. And it's fun. So yeah, I won't go back for sure to buy any
Chemicals, yeah.
any chemical filters. I think it's actually like the alchemy of the things, like how they melt together and like every ingredient blends together to get something new. This is the magic actually. This I really love. Like from single products, you create something new with a purpose, and that's beautiful.
The note, simply good vibes.